In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store location, whether you're relocating your business, restructuring your operations, or simply need to update your store's address. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to change your Shopify store location. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. That's where you'll see various options for managing your store. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and locate the Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a screen filled with various settings tabs that allow you to customize different aspects of your online store. Now, look at the tabs at the top and find the one labeled General. This is where most of your store's foundational settings are stored, including your store billing address, which is the piece of information we'll be updating today. Once you're in the general settings, take a closer look and find where your store's billing address is displayed. You should see the address right in that section, along with a little pen icon next to it. Here comes the crucial part. Hover your cursor over the billing address, and you'll notice that this pen icon becomes clickable. Go ahead and click on it. This will enable the edit function, and a form will pop up on your screen. This form allows you to make the changes necessary to reflect your new store location or updated address details. It is wise to double-check the specific address you're entering, ensuring it's accurate and updated accordingly. Fill in the new address details in the fields provided. You might need to update information such as the street address, city, state, postal, or zip code, and potentially the country. Be meticulous as you fill out these fields because accurate address information is crucial for invoices, customer billing, tax calculations, and more. Once you've entered the updated information, take a moment to review everything. Double-check each section of the address to ensure there aren't any typos or errors. This review might seem tedious, but trust me, it can save you a lot of headaches down the road by preventing potential shipping issues or customer confusion. Finally, confirm the changes by hitting the Save button. Once saved, Shopify will automatically update your store location details based on the information you've entered. And just like that, you're done. Your Shopify store location has been successfully changed, reflecting your new address. By following these simple steps, you can easily ensure that your store's information remains accurate and up to date. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found these instructions helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical Shopify tips. Until next time, happy selling!